how to turn on shut backups on Signal. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to turn on shut backup on Signal. It's so easy and quick, so let's jump in. First thing, go to your Signal application and now click on it and click on those 3 points up there. Now click on Setting and click on Shuts. Now you have the last option, which is backups. Shut backups, click on it. Now you can turn on by click on turn on and click on choose folders, and this is how you saved to this location. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video don't forget to subscribe and like.